Hello kids. Today I'm going to explain you chapter number 9, that is changing families. Aims and objectives. To understand the concept of families and its importance. To know about the changes in family structure. To know the effects of migration. So, my dear children, in this chapter, you are going to study how family is important to us, how family structure changes due to many reasons like marriage, migration, arrival of newborn baby, etc. Family is very important for all of us. Sometimes we observe things change in the family due to different reasons like marriage, birth, relocating to a new place, etc. Now, children, in this chapter, let's meet some families and observe certain changes a family undergoes for various reasons. How does it feel to have a newborn baby at home? Let's meet Nimmi's family. Nimmi has a new baby sister and she is very happy. On seeing a newborn baby, all of them got very excited. They all were happy to meet their new little angel. Before arrival of newborn baby, there were 5 members in Nimmi's family. Now, there are 6 members in Nimmi's family: grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, Nimmi, and newborn baby, as shown in picture. In picture, children, you can see there are 6 members in the family. Everything got changed in Nimmi's house. Let's discuss how things change in a house when a child is born. Lifestyle of all family members changes automatically. In many ways, you must know that a newborn baby or a small child cannot eat or do anything on its own. Thus, the mother has to spend most of the time looking after her child. Let's know about Sering's family. Sering's father received a letter from his office. He was promoted and would have to move to another city. Now, children, they will be busy in packaging their things. Sering's parents has to go to school to inform the teacher. But I think he does not want to leave his friends. So maybe he is sad. But he will have to move. It means in another city, Sering will join new school. What do you feel about this change? Do you think that he would be able to settle down easily at a new place? Would he easily manage to make new friends in his new society? It would not be easy for him to adjust himself in a new place with these changes. But he has to adjust. Now, let's know about Nazli's family. Nazli's elder cousin brother is getting married. Nazli is very happy today as her cousin brother is going to marry. Everyone in house is very happy. Now, many changes will take place. A new member will join them. They will eat, talk, and have fun with each other. Children, do you know? When a girl gets married, she usually comes and stays at her husband's house. Sushila lives in Rangareddy district of Andhra Pradesh. Look at the map, children. The portion which is shown by red color is Andhra Pradesh. Sushila lives in this state, Andhra Pradesh, in Rangareddy district. Sushila got married when she was very young. She had to leave her school. Do you know, children, there are many girls who get married before they are 18 years old. Many of them have to even leave school. There are many true stories of girls like Sushila of Rangareddy district. But with the help of village panchayat, Sushila is now going to school. Children, do you know the meaning of panchayat? A group of 5 people that works for the welfare of the village is known as panchayat. It is a local government of village. In Sushila's village, panchayat announced that the young children should play and study and not to be married off. No one can force anyone to get married. If a girl is forced to get married, then she can complain to the village panchayat. Look at the picture, children. This is a picture of a village where girls and boys are studying together. A group of people of Andhra Pradesh hold special camp to help married girls to go back to school. Not only in Andhra Pradesh, but in many parts of India, many NGOs, panchayat, government are coming up for the welfare of girls. Jagamma and Chitti say, we would like to study and stand on our own feet. The minimum age of marriage fixed by law is 18 years for girls and 21 years for boys. Now let's recap. Reasons responsible for changes in families. Transfer, death. Children, sometime by death also, changes took place in families. Marriage, new arrival. My dear kids, this was all about chapter number 9, Changing Families. I hope you understood the chapter well. Thank you.